Hey, Belle. We need to reset the maintenance light on a 2019 Sienna.
Uh-huh.
Go into the passenger side.
Okay.
Hold this.
Okay. He always does this.
Get in here.
Okay. There's a mint in here.
Let's see.
Now what? Am I gonna close the door?
You don't have to. Okay, so we're gonna go. We got this control here set up on the steering wheel. Gives you a bunch of options across the top here. We're gonna go all the way to the right to the little wheel with the gears on it and go down and pick settings, and then go all the way down to the bottom where it says maintenance reset. I was gonna say yes or no. I'm gonna pick yes and hit enter it. Maintenance reset complete. Ta-da! I fix them.
Weirdo.